Well, the restoration idea started probably 15 years ago.
Before Governor Bush started the historic preservation program in the state of Texas, we were interested in preserving this building.
The building was near collapse, and at one point it was recommended to vacate the building, and we weren't sure if it was going to be torn down.
It was a pretty hard-fought battle. We had a bond election that the people voted to have this project completed.
We, of course, needed the Texas Historical Commission help with the project.
We've seen ups and downs, but I think it will definitely help the economic development in Karnes City.
The whole community is being restored, and this is an important part of the whole process.
It being fully restored and being fully functional will bring in other opportunities for law offices to come in, restaurants, small businesses, and things that operate around a courthouse square.
It looks like the perfect venue for something.
We have a Founders Day that happens every year in December, and I think we'll incorporate this building into that program every year.
This building being fully restored is absolutely a modern workplace. We have fully functional integrated computer systems, audio-visual systems.
This building will provide court, both Commissioner's Court, County Court, and District Court.
County Judge's office in it. It'll have the District Clerk's office in it. It'll have the County Attorney's office in it.
Though the building may look like it's 1894, it's as new as can be.
Y'all have spent the last 14 years working on this project, and that speaks to the tenacity and the dedication of your community.
The courthouse does not belong to any individual. It does not belong to any family. It does not belong to any group. It does not belong to any political party. This courthouse belongs to all of you. All of you who are citizens of Karnes County are proud owners of this beautiful house. And I hope you'll be proud of your second home for many years to come. Thank you very much.
There is a wonderful sense of history when you come into this building.
I beam with pride every time I drive by.
It's just an iconic landmark now.
It is the center of the community, and sitting on this hill is definitely in the center of the most noticeable building in town.
You can see it from just miles and miles.
I just love to listen to the bells toll.
My favorite thing about the Karnes County Courthouse has been this room. This room is incredible.
The Historical Commission never gave up on us, nor we on them, and we're so pleased at the partnership that we had in the completion of this project.
And also the Karnes County Historical Society, this group of individuals has worked tirelessly as volunteers to make sure that this project has been successful.
But without the Historical Commission, this wouldn't have been possible, because when this started, there was no vision of oil on the horizon. So